Hello, my name is Nonso Ekemezie, and this is my monologue. They were three strange-looking guys in uniforms. They came and dragged me from where I was working at the docks. Them tell me say I thief. Now I ask them, wetin I thief? Them no gree tell me. Them talk say, then go tell me when we don't reach our destination. I say, Ngwanu, make we dey go now. As we reach there, they first cover my eyes with black cloth. Before I know wetin dey happen, they don't throw me inside caravan. No ask me how I take no. I dey hustle for dogs. I know as inside caravan be. For more than 1 week, na him then keep us there. Me and like 4 other guys wey dem carry like that. One by one, na him dem come dey carry us comot. One by one, they no dey bring anybody come back. When e reach my turn, I beg, I cry, I pray, I fight. I call God. He no answer. I beg God so my voice crack. God close ear like say he no hear me. After all the 1,000 thank you, Jesus, early morning rosary and novena way, I don't dey pray for the past 10 years. After all the NSPP, the way my mama pray, no one walk. Them beat me. Come out my kid. Come send me come back with only 1 kidney and all the many health issues whenever gree go. Now you stand there, open your mouth. They tell me say it's God's plan. God's plan. Yeah, may God rest. Because as you see me so, I don't rest. I make yourself rest. Because you see this thing that they call heavenly shege. You know the fear face so. You know the fear face. In fact, guy, come off my house. Come off my house. God's plan, my nyash.